Cordarius down at Tameron Hyundai and Hoover, and I would like to thank you on your inquiry on this beautiful 2018 Hyundai Sonata. Come take a look at this vehicle for a second. As you can see, it has that new generation grille, of course. Also with brand new tires. This vehicle is in immaculate condition. You have your blind spot indicated. You have your heated seats. Oh yeah, most of all, you have your Apple Play radio and Android audio. I'll tell you more about that once you get here. Do me a favor, Mr. Timothy. I need you to come on down to Tameron Hyundai and Hoover, ask for Cordarius, so you can take this beautiful vehicle for a test drive, and I guarantee once you get here, you'll love the way you're treated. My number is 205-484-1300. Again, the number is 205-484-1300. Come on down, Mr. Timothy, take this baby for a test drive, and once again, you'll love the way you're treated.